Hello, everybody. Greetings from LATAM. I'm so excited to tell you about how all the work from LATAM has been doing so far. We're going to start with Mexico and all the work that have been done from COVID and how we react in terms to attend medical patients and family, in terms to be faster respond with collaboration teams and programmability.
Pacientes egresados médicos. Aquellos pacientes que hayan sido dados de alta podrán seguir manteniendo comunicación con la finalidad de continuar con sus diagnósticos. En Cisco siempre nos hemos comprometido para ofrecer lo mejor de nosotros y hoy más que nunca nuestra tecnología está permitiendo unir a la distancia a las familias y transferir conocimiento entre los médicos y las instituciones de salud. Hoy contribuimos a buscar un México sano, pero sobre todo, familias felices y tranquilas de poder estar cerca y unidas.
Good that you're enjoying Mexico video. Let's move to Kansas, where we're going to see about the Partner Innovation Challenge that has been happening and how the partners are moving in terms to create innovation solutions using programmability and the rest of the Cisco products.
Hi everyone, my name is Sergio Sicard. I am a partner systems engineer team lead in Cisco Latin America. And today I want to share with you experience that we have with our partners in the region, try to develop good practices around programmability. So since the launch of DevNet a couple of years ago, we've been trying to educate ourselves and our partner community around DevNet practices, mainly to develop code and to develop software over Cisco infrastructure. However, the reality is that most of us, I'm not saying is the complete case, but most of us are networking engineers with little or no background in programmability. So it represents a challenge because it's not that we can't develop software, is that we first not are not used to the software itself, but also we are not aware of everything around software development that's needed in order to produce code, to produce a solution that can be eventually commercialized under a brand or something to generate income. So we focus on specific topics that our partners need. First, we understand that our typically network engineer is not aware of tools such Python or APIs or programming code or all those things that are around programmability or the technical stuff. But also we notice that our partners are not aware of what's needed to develop software in terms of how to identify a problem, how to identify a market opportunity, and how to operate and eventually generate income from an application that can be developed over Cisco infrastructure. So we decided to develop a challenge. We challenge our partner community to present us a software solution in a period of 12 weeks. We help them during that time, and we provide them several tools. We run a DevNet Express. We had sessions every week with experts from Cisco, taught them things like agile technologies, design thinking, how to monetize solutions, how operate solutions like that. Obviously, we went deep in code, specifically with Cisco infrastructure. So we challenged several partners, and in the end, 5 partners responded to the challenge. We'll cover those later. But basically, these are the pillars that we on which we invited our partners to participate. First, to understand the DevNet framework. Second, to help with a software solution that actually helps to solve this some social distancing problem that we have. Then move with forward software development, to create a culture of innovation, to find new ways of generate income, and to understand, articulate the value of intellectual property. So 5 partners participated in this challenge. Actually, these are the deliverables that we ask our partners to identify the problem, to identify market opportunity, to show us an application, develop and a mock-up or prototype, and the plan on how to operate and monetize this solution. So 5 partners responded to this initiative from 5 different countries: Ecuador, Peru, Panama, Costa Rica, and Honduras in Latin America. And here are some examples of what they present. And this is not rocket science solutions, it's simple solutions to simple problems, but very practical. And we think they have a good potential to be eventually commercialized. So the first one is a solution that aimed to help daycares. We know that we have these little kids and small daycares, and of course these facilities have no IT knowledge or no IT staff to support them. So this application it's developed thinking on these daycares and how parents can interact with the daycare. So it's a chatbot based on WebEx Teams that can provide automatic responses about schedules, activities, grades, etc. Information relevant to their kids using WebEx Teams. The second one is an application aimed to solve a high utilization of a healthcare system that of course collapsed at the beginning of the pandemics, integrating an existing appointment system with WebEx meetings in order to make more agile the process of getting an appointment with the doctor on a specialized person or a specialized personnel. And last, this is a very sophisticated chatbot that one of our partners in Central America came, that's developed over third-party chat applications and interacts with artificial intelligence third-party recognition. So text recognition. Basically, what it does is it provides information about COVID-19 and health information, and then, if needed, directs the end user to a medical or specialized personnel if they need to solve more detailed inquiries from end users. So, in the end, what we did here, it's a way to go beyond the code itself. It's not just about code. Code, of course, is a very important part of it, but we went beyond code. We went try to educate our partners in problem definition, in market opportunity, in how to monetize. The idea is that we, as a sales engineers and as a developing engineers, as a delivery engineers, can have the tools to provide a solution that can eventually be commercialized as a software product, as a software offer. So I hope you enjoyed. This is nice experience. I think our partners learn a lot, and I can provide more information if needed. So thank you very much, and keep creating. Thank you.
Finally, we're going to MCO when the guys from Brazil, Chile, and Argentina have been working so hard in terms of programmability and also participate in ASIC challenge inside Cisco in terms to move innovation solutions to the customers.
Hello, my name is Flavio. I'm from Brazil. I'd like to give you guys 3 updates about what is going on here. So first one, I'd like to give you an update about the DevNet certifications. I'm really glad about what happened with the DevNet certifications here in Brazil, where Cisco SEs, but also partners and customers engaged in this process of getting certified. We do have people in Brazil that were certified the first day. We also have people in the DevNet 500 group, but more important than that, I believe the local community recognized the value of the DevNet certifications. The content of the exams and the materials are really relevant, and this will gonna keep us, having more and more people certified. This is an important content and evolution for the workforce locally here. So really glad with the results of the DevNet certifications. The second topic that I'd like to bring to you guys' attention is the DevNet ecosystem development. Monica mentioned about partner challenge. We call it Brazil Innovation Challenge. This is just one of the initiatives that we are doing to develop more and more the ecosystem. But more important than that, I think the ecosystem is realizing, they can differentiate with DevNet capabilities and also monetize on top of Cisco solutions with that. And just to give you a single example, we have a partner that developed a solution on top of DNA Center, DNA Spaces, and WebEx Teams for a hospital with the focus to make the process of moving patients in and out of a hospital more efficient. And the results were really important for the hospital business. So they were able to do more surgeries per day in a single hospital, 3 extra surgeries per day, as well as improve in average in 45 minutes in the process of the patient's discharge. Okay, so I think it's the DevNet ecosystem is realizing how powerful DevNet can be, and these are real success cases that we have in front of us, um, coming in more and more common. So the last thing that I'd like to bring to your attention, coming from Brazil, is about new technology, something that I believe can be used more and more. It's about capabilities of processing images. In this case, this is a project called social distance in our internal innovation challenge here at Cisco, where we used Meraki vision cameras and also this Python module called OpenCV, Open Computer Vision. And one of the aspects of this project was how can we uh, check if a person was using PPE, in this case, face masks. So really interesting tool. You can train your own model. You can use existing models. So powerful thing. And the latest capabilities of the Meraki MEV with the new snapshot capabilities, streaming capabilities. I believe it's powerful. So I like to bring this to your attention, so you can also check it out and do a cool project with that. So that's it from now. I'm glad to be here in DevNet Create again, this time virtual, but I'm hoping to see you guys in person really soon. Thanks. Have a great event.
So that's all the work amazing done from LATAM. I think there is a lot of things moving forward. A lot of partners and a lot of customers have taken a look in terms how can programmability take leverage huge solutions to their customers. So I'm expecting to have a lot of more innovation products and solutions on the market from the following next year. Thank you very much for attending.